not familiar with military housing, our day one shots all have loaner furniture in them, so they're provided by the military until our things arrive. As you can see, my main floor is painted. It's not always something that's allowed in a rental or in military housing, but it is allowed here. And since we are going to be here at least 3 years, I decided it was worth it since I've never been able to paint my home in my adulthood. We live in the town of Vilseck, right outside of a military base, and these homes were designed for American use, so they do have 220 voltage and 110 voltage, meaning we can use our American appliances and our German appliances. Also, I'm just remembering that my kitchen did have a door. It's a completely closed off room, but it was really simple to just slip the door off, so we put it in storage. I could not live with the door on my kitchen. I hope I'll be your destination. I really thought these stairs would be the death of me, or at least the death of my dog, but we've gotten used to them and Olaf takes them just fine since day one. If you have tiny children, learning how to use stairs, it might be more of a struggle, but if you want a multi-level home in Germany, those stairs are pretty much what you get. So the rumor is that in Germany, if you have a built-in closet, it's considered a separate room and taxable. So I've never seen a European home with a built-in closet. They just have these standing wardrobes. This is our guest room. In the box in the corner, we keep an air mattress, and we also have a pillow topper in this corner, and it really just makes a nice setup. We haven't had a need to buy guest room furniture because we haven't even bought bedroom furniture. It's also the room I use to store my military gear. Primarily, I'd just say it's kind of a catch-all closet, the entire room. Since there isn't a lot of storage in German housing, it's been nice to have.
Ooh, I feel paper thin. Ooh, when will you let me in? Do you let anyone get under your skin? You play it cool, but underneath I know you're hiding something. Do you let anyone get under your skin? I just wanna get to know you, so would you let me get to know you, boy? You feel so far away, though you're close. Where's your heart? I don't wanna know. A penny for your thoughts. I wanna know what's inside the heart of you.
These spaces downstairs are just nice little bonus rooms. This one we use for storage, and we keep all of our military gear in there, which usually doesn't look so neat, so the room is usually exploded. And if you are military or you move a lot, you will understand, but we keep a lot of large boxes in our home because when you move a lot, it's just nice to pack things back up in the boxes that they came in. So that's why we have a pile of boxes there.
Would you let me get to know you, boy? Would you let me get to know you, boy? Would you let me get to know?
My husband has been building up his home gym for about 5 years since we lived in New York, but let me tell you, nothing in our house has gotten more practical use than this room during 2020.
When will you let me in?
This is the end of our house tour. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and leave the video a like if you enjoyed it. I make cleaning and organizing videos on this channel. To see more, hit that subscribe button, and we will see you in our next video.
I just wanna get to know you, so